You can send, download, and upload links to Basil users and non-users. This would allow a secure and simple way for them to download or upload particular files between Basil and their local computer without needing to create or sign into a Basil account. They can simply do this from their email inbox and web browser. If you need to request a file from someone, you can use the email upload link feature to get the document you need. To request an upload, first go to the Files tab at the top and navigate to the client folder where the file needs to be uploaded. Click the top right Actions menu and select Email Upload Link. You can also use the three-dot menu of any folder to request that users upload files to that particular folder. We're going to invite a user without a Basil account. Enter the individual's name and email address. You can add more recipients or write a message. Then click Send Email. This will send the person a secure one-time use link to the designated email address. The user will also need to fill out a verification code before being able to upload their files to the platform. This code will be emailed to them separately. When you need to send someone a file in the Basil platform, you can do so with the secure download link. Similar to the upload link, this will be a secure, one-time use-only link that will allow them to download the specific file. To send a download link, first go to the location of the file that the user needs to download and click the three-dot menu. From the menu, select Email Download Link. Enter the individual's name and email address. You can add more recipients or write a message. Once you click on Send Email, this will send the person a secure one-time use link to the designated email address. The user will also need to fill out a verification code before being able to download their files. This code will be emailed separately.